Hi, I'm Chef Pops. Today I'm back in my brand new renovated kitchen. What we'll be making today is our homemade tamarind sauce. Let's get started. Tamarind sauce comes in different forms. I'll first show you the natural fruit, which is fresh. This is a fresh fruit. I'm going to break the shell and show you how it looks inside. It just breaks very easily. This is the fresh fruit. This is more sour than sweet. This is seedless dried tamarind, and I use this to make my own homemade tamarind sauce. This is a 500 gram slab. I also have a 200 gram slab. You can also buy tamarind in a paste form. You can see how it looks. If you don't want to make sauce at home, you can buy this ready-made tamarind sauce instead. When I make my tamarind sauce, I make it two ways. One is sour only, one is sweet and sour. For sweet, I use this natural product called Jaggery. This is made from sugarcane juice. I'm going to show you how it looks. You can buy it in a slab form, or you can buy Jaggery powder. They both work good. I've taken the tamarind out of the package. 500 grams I'm going to make in a bigger pot, which will be sour, and 200 grams will be sweet, mixed with Jaggery. They are both boiling right now, and I'm going to add Jaggery to this, about 400 grams. We'll let it boil for a while, and then we'll have a look at it in 10 minutes. It's about 5 minutes now, and I'm checking the product here. And I can see it's slowly getting softer and breaking up. So we have to wait till everything is broken up nicely, and then we'll take it out. We started boiling on high temperature, and as it was going too hot, I put it on medium high, and it's doing fine. You can now see pieces of tamarind. They're all getting separated from the slab, and it takes about 20 minutes or half an hour to happen. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes now. You can see the water is so thick, all the tamarind is all loose here. Now we'll shut the stove and let it cool down. This is a sweet one. You can see it's all loose. We'll shut the stove now. Now the tamarind sauce is cool, and we are going to strain it in this bowl. Okay, so slowly everything will come in the bowl below, and we'll see how thick it is. It takes some time to make this, but it lasts for a long time. I usually, when I make something like this, it lasts for about 6 months for me. Sometimes part of it I will freeze it, part will be in the cooler. I've never seen this spoil. I have strained the tamarind, and this is thickness of the tamarind now here. I want this little bit thicker than this, so what I'll do is put it in the pot and boil it for a little time, and then make it the thickness that I need. This is the leftover tamarind from the 500 gram sour one. This still has some strength left in it, so I'm going to boil it again with some water and do a second round. So we have a little bit extra tamarind sauce. Now I'll put this tamarind sauce in this pot. Start the stove. I'll keep it on high heat first and then I'll reduce the heat. I'll let it boil till the time it reaches the thickness I need. Now I'll put this tamarind back in the pot. Add some water. And boil it again. And the same process will be done for the sweet tamarind sauce. Now you can see the tamarind sauce is boiling and is going to reduce water and become thicker. Side by side, we are boiling this part too. Typically, I do this twice a year. Whatever comes out of this, it lasts for about 6 months. I partly put it in freezer and partly in the cooler, and it has never spoiled. I've never seen this thing spoil. This is half a year's supply, and I'll do it the next time after 6 months, and that will be the balance of the year. And that's how it works. You can see the thing boiling now. It's doing a good job now. Also, if you don't want to make so much, you can make it in smaller portion too. Okay, our tamarind sauce is now done. We have sour here and sweet here. I'm going to put this in the white bowl. And the sweet one. Okay, so these are the final sauces now. This is sour, this is sweet. I'm going to taste some and then I'll tell you how it tastes. It is sour, for sure. Let's see how the sweet is. Better. This is better for me. There is a third option to this. Sometimes we make hot tamarind sauce, and when I do that, I put any kind of liquidy hot sauce in it and it becomes spicy and tastes good too. Some of the dishes I use tamarind sauce are fish curry, shrimp masala, jug chicken, etc. etc. In Bombay, they use this in lots of street foods like bhel, potato puri, sev puri, and all kinds of stuff. So it makes it very delicious. And in future, I'll be making some of the dishes using this sauce. This is our finished tamarind sauce, ready to be consumed. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please leave them below in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel already, please do so. And remember to hit the bell button so each and every time we post a new video, you are notified. And remember to share this video with all of your friends. Until next time.